Dude, guys, I'm not lying. Those birds, they are so big. Their beaks. Oh my god. I saw tiny munias today. Damn it. This camera not clear. It's not clear enough. Fucking hell. Jump around again. I saw you. You're as big as my upper body. Guys, I'm not kidding. Those birds were big. That's a crow, by the way. Oh, wait. I've zoomed in. You can't see the crow. Where is that bird? I know you're hiding in there. That's why they were jumping about. There. Yes. Hello. Oh shit, do you see that? Do you see how big they are? Do you see that? Whoa. Listen, it's not clear enough, but you know what? I'm going to Google what bird this is. And I'm going to post a video. There's 3 of them. Wow. Okay. Their body is black and white, and their beaks are yellow. And those beaks are, whoa, massive. Those are fucking massive. Whoa, and they've got really big bodies, you know. This is so cool. Oh yay, my glasses have cleared up. Oh wow, they're so beautiful. Wait, can you see? You know what? It's disappointing that my phone cannot capture the bird's beauty, but wow. I'm going to look this up now. What bird this is.